What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're unboxing and testing the brand new Govee Christmas sparkle string lights. Now, if you're looking for lights that are not only beautiful but also smart and fun to use, this is going to blow you away. Now, first off, installation is super easy thanks to the Govee's 1-out-1 structure. Now from here, we're gonna start from the bottom of the tree. We're gonna open up the one closest to the plugs right here. So we've opened this guy up, and this is the one that we're gonna install from the bottom. Now the forest green cable blends right into the tree, so all you see are the lights. Now they're also built to last. 5 durable wires with 2 dedicated return conductors keep the brightness consistent from end to end. These are IP44 rated as well, which makes them perfect for indoor setups. Now, just for context, the previous generation Govee Christmas string lights 2 worked indoors and outdoors, but this new sparkle version takes things up a notch. You get brighter bullet head LEDs with a smoother sparkle effect, a higher LED density, and 10 more lighting effects built in. It's all about that rich, starry look that makes your tree come alive. Now here where things get magical. These high-density bullet head LEDs scatter light in a way that looks like real starlight across the tree. You instantly see the difference. Fuller, brighter, and just stunning. And because of Govee's Uni-IC control, every LED is independent. That gives you 16 million colors plus adjustable warm or cool white when you want that classic cozy glow. Now check this out. Over 140 preset scene modes, all with just one tap. Let's just turn off the lights here so you guys can see better. There you go. Let's do Aurora B. Rusting leaves. Sure, just choose one there. Now, of course, these aren't just good looking lights, they're also smart. You can control everything through the Govee app, Alexa, Google Assistant, or even Matter. That means you can set timers, adjust the brightness as well, or change effects just by asking. It makes decorating as easy as it gets. So we have it all set up now, as you could see there. And it looks beautiful already, but the best thing with Govee lights is that you can control it on the app. So let's add it on our device here. As you could see there, it detected it already. Let's hit add. And there it is. Now we're gonna connect it to our Wi-Fi network. From here, you'll be able to upgrade or update the string lights as well. After the update, you're good to go. Now, one of the key features that really sets these lights apart is the AIGC. You type in or say a prompt and the AI instantly creates a lighting effect.
I would like to create a sunset style of lights for my Christmas tree.
I recommend a sunset inspired Christmas tree lighting, blending warm oranges and reds with cool purples, evoking a festive yet tranquil holiday atmosphere. Would you like me to apply the recommended scene for you? I'm sure you'll like it.
Okay,
Okay, the recommended solution has been generated.
there it is. That's what we get out of that. Now let's make another scene where it like changes every so often. Also has a downward spiral effect and multicolored and changes every time.
I recommend a dynamic, multicolored spiral effect that continuously shifts, creating an ever changing, mesmerizing atmosphere of vibrant hues. Would you like me to? Okay, the recommended solution has been generated.
And there it is. As you could see, the lights are changing every so often. It also has a very slow spiral movement downwards, which is super nice.
And you can tweak the design after if you want. It makes customizing your Christmas lights actually fun. Now, another game changer is shape mapping. With just a quick scan of your tree, the app knows exactly where each LED is. That lets you run effects that wrap around the tree smoothly, like waves or spirals. You can also design your own DIY patterns with precise LED positioning. It basically turns your tree into a canvas of light art. Now, these also have a built in mic for music mode.
So, for example, you want to play an energetic music, it'll go with your voice or whatever it hears. So you can see right now I'm talking, so it's moving with it. Let's change the rhythm. There you go. Now it's pulsing. It's really nice. Let's just try playing a music right now.
So, when you're playing music, like Christmas music, the lights pulse and dance along. Perfect for parties or family gatherings. And if you've got another Govee lights, DreamView syncs everything together into one massive holiday light show. So, what about sizes? You can get these in 20 meters, perfect for 6 to 7 foot tree, or 30 meters for trees up to 7.5 feet tall. Now the pricing starts at $119.99 for the 20 meter version and the $149.99 for the 30 meter. Honestly, for the features and brightness, it's an amazing value. So, if you're ready to take your Christmas tree from ordinary to unforgettable, the Govee Christmas Sparkle String Lights are the way to go. Easy to set up, packed with smart features, and absolutely gorgeous. I'll drop all the links in the description below so you can grab yours today. Don't wait too long though, the holiday season sells these out so fast. Thanks for watching everyone. If you have any questions as well, I'll see you in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!